Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you WISE mission update Q1 2022. So simply you can search from Google and directly move to this page, mission update Q1 2022. So simply I have opened through website. So here you can check the WISE mission update Q1 2022. So when you landed to this page, simply here we are building money without borders, making it move faster, more conveniently and eventually for fee. Here is how much closer we got in January to March 2022. So simply just after that click on mission roadmap and you will move to this page. So here you can see these are three sections: in progress, ideas and launch. So simply here you can see what facilities available in your country. Here you can search by regions and after that click on ideas, and here you can read all the new ideas updated on WISE, and after that click on launched. So here you can also search by region. So in this way you can check WISE mission update Q1 2022. So just simply visit this website and read all the new updates of Q1 2022 in WISE.